guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I am doing some quick videos to try to share with you guys the equipment and gear that I use for my auto detailing business. A couple of you have asked in the past, so I thought that I would go a little bit more in depth on the specific vacuum that I use for auto detailing. In the past, when I first started out, I was using a 6 horsepower Ridgid vacuum. It was about this big, huge and bulky, did have wheels, but the thing weighed a ton, and to maneuver around the vehicle was a pain in the butt. And there were times that, if you pulled the hose too much, it actually ran into the side of the car. So I wanted to get something that was a little bit more compact. I know that Luke Wilson over at Wilson Auto Detailing, he uses this shop vac, and this is actually the one that he recommended, and I'm going to recommend it as well. A lot of mobile detailers actually love this vacuum because of its compact size. And what I love about it as a home-based detailing business is it doesn't require a lot of storage space. I only have, let me share with you, see that closet right there? That is where I have to store all of my detailing equipment. So I have to be very particular about what I use because I am very limited on space. And so for me, this is a no-brainer. What I love about it is so lightweight. The fact that I can just pick it up, move it around with the wheels. It does come with the vacuum. And now I did purchase the auto detailing accessory kit, and that gave me the hose, the orange hose in, versus the standard black hose. It comes with kind of an adapter to help you connect there. And I also did get the additional long crevice tool attachment, and then I purchased this separately just to be able to vacuum things a little bit faster, and because it fits the orange hose really perfectly. So we have a variety of different brushes that came with that kit, all really fantastic, but this has just been perfect. I don't need anything larger as far as gallon size. Even if I use it as a wet dry vac, it is more than enough suction with the 5 peak horsepower. That is probably the minimum that I would recommend. If you're going to be doing wet dry vac or detailing, you want to get something with a minimum of 5 horsepower. But this is just a fantastic, let me plug it in. You can hear it's not overly loud, it's not super quiet. It has fantastic suction. Just being able to come in and quickly suck everything up. And then if I want to, I can take the filter off on the inside and then use it as a wet dry vac if I want to as well. And it is a fantastic vacuum for auto detailing. So I know this isn't super long. I'm not going to go into too much detail as far as specs and inches and dimensions and things like that. I don't even know if I've actually cleaned the inside of it out. For the most part it is, and you can see I don't have the filter attached because the last time I used it, I think I used it as a wet dry vac, and so I just haven't replaced it. But it comes with a washable, reusable filter. I will blow that out probably after every detail, especially if I'm vacuuming up pet hair. And you can actually, so another great feature that not many people utilize with their shop vac is to use it as a blower. So I will connect it, make sure it's connected firmly or else it will blow off. Connect it to the reverse port or where the air exhaust is. And then you can come in here and blow out all the dirt from your kids. I wish cleaning their rims was this easy. But just like that, you can blow out the majority of the dirt and debris. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy that quick, kind of review. I wouldn't necessarily say that it's so much going through pros and cons. I really don't know too many cons about the machine other than the fact that I wish I would have bought it sooner. It's a fantastic unit for mobile detailing, for auto detailing period. Compact, lightweight, gets the job done, very affordable. Make sure you look into the auto detailing kit that comes along with it, because you're going to want to kind of have that longer, more flexible hose instead of the rigid, thicker black one. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoy that quick review, and I thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for future videos that we have coming out. Make sure you hit that bell button over to the side, that way you're notified for any of the future videos as they come out. So thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.